How do I put music on my phone? If you are asking yourself this question, you have come to the right place. Transferring music to your Android phone can be quite easy if you undertake an adequate method. There are several manners in which transferring music can be conducted. Method 1. How to put music on Android via SD card. Find Android's SD slot, usually left side. Use an SD card reader for PCs. Insert SD card. Wait for detection. Open File Manager. Create or find a music folder. Drag or drop or copy-paste music. Reinsert SD card into your phone. Enjoy the playlist. Method 2. How to get music on Android phone via USB cable. Connect phone to computer via USB. Wait for detection. Open File Manager. Find music files. Open Drive. Create or find music folder. Drag or drop or copy-paste music. Disconnect phone. Transfer detected by phone. Music appears in device player. Method 3. How to put music on your phone using Google Play app. Download or install Google Play Music Manager on your computer. Open Manager. Select Music Storage option. Click Next. Choose Manager to add audio files on local folder changes. Open Google Play Music app. Click Menu. Find Make Available Offline. Check boxes for desired audio files. Click checkmark on the left. App adds music to your Android device. Method 4. How to add music to Android with Assistant for Android. Mobikin Assistant for Android with its Mac version continues to stand out from the crowd due to being fast, simple to use, 100% secure, and for being a multitasker. Download and launch Mobikin Assistant on your computer. Connect Android via wi-fi/usb. In the main interface, click Music on the left. On the right, click New. Choose Audio Files. Click Open to transfer music to Android.